Which air quality equipment should I install? Most people are spending a lot more time inside their homes these days, so we have been getting more questions about how to improve indoor air quality. There are a lot of options, so let's look at a few. Better air filters. One quick, easy, and relatively inexpensive way to improve air quality is to install more robust air filters. A good filter can reduce dust and pollen in the air, which can help with allergies, and some can even help with odor issues. But they cannot reduce mold, bacteria, and viruses. You can install filters yourself, but be sure to buy the right filter for your HVAC system and follow the manufacturer's recommendation on how often to change it. Electronic air cleaners. Another option is an electronic air cleaner, EAC. This piece of equipment replaces a traditional air filter in your system. They are much more effective at capturing particles than filters and are washable, which saves you money long term. They do, however, require monthly cleanings and need to be installed by a professional technician. An EAC does not control mold, bacteria, or viruses. Ultraviolet, UV, lights. UV lights are getting a lot of attention because they can kill many types of bacteria and viruses. A professional technician can easily install one in your home, and they last a long time with almost no maintenance. UV lights do not help eliminate dust or pollen and cost more than filters. Also, the light bulbs can burn out and require a professional to replace them. Photocolytic oxidation, PCO, devices. PCO devices use a mix of technologies to kill many forms of mold, bacteria, and viruses. These devices, used in conjunction with air filters, can be extremely effective. They do, however, require regular, professional maintenance to ensure that they are operating properly, and replacement bulbs need to be installed by a professional. Give us a call today, and we can help you decide which of these many options is right for your home.